Now, CBS News congressional correspondent Caitlin Huey-Burns joins us from Capitol Hill. Caitlin, tell us more about yesterday's contentious hearing involving Dr. Fauci.
Oh, good morning, George. Michael. Well, it was very, very fiery. Fauci invoked the Fifth Amendment over 100 times during a 3-hour-long hearing, and the chairman of the committee kicked out his attorney when he tried to speak up.
You're not a hero. Unfortunately, you're a villain.
Who the do you think you were for doing that?
Republican after Republican on the Senate Homeland Security Committee unleashed on Dr. Anthony Fauci Tuesday as he declined to answer any of their questions. In his opening statement, Fauci claimed committee chairman Rand Paul wants to prosecute him.
That the sole reason he is calling me before this committee is to get me to say something, anything, that could vindicate his repeated public pledges that I end up, in his words, quote, behind bars.
After that, Fauci offered what became a familiar refrain.
I respectfully decline to answer based upon my rights under the Fifth Amendment of the Constitution.
Fauci had received a preemptive blanket pardon from former President Biden, but Senator Paul put Fauci on notice that he didn't think that pardon applied here.
It's against the law to obstruct an investigation of Congress.
Fauci's lawyers said in a statement that he was on, quote, solid legal ground when asserting the Fifth Amendment, and Democrats came to Fauci's defense.
This hearing is the culmination of a years-long crusade.
Senator Paul has long accused Fauci of lying to suppress the theory that the virus leaked from a lab in Wuhan, China, a lab that Paul says received U.S. government funding for research to make viruses more transmittable.
He does bear responsibility here for perhaps the worst medical decision in our history, and that is to fund dangerous research in a less than safe lab in a totalitarian country, creating respiratory viruses that have increased pathogenicity and increased transmissibility.
Now, Senator Paul said he'll move next week to have his committee vote on whether to hold Dr. Fauci in contempt of Congress. But, Michael, that would still have to overcome lots of big hurdles in the U.S. Senate in order to pass there and then be referred to the Justice Department for prosecution. Michael.
All right, Caitlin Huey-Burns, thank you.